Starboard bow, we made it here in New York City. Down here at my cousin Mike's place. Got the Damon Hornet, made it all the way around with the exception of one problem. Oh my God. I made it all the way last night. Believe it or not, last night. That's right. That window just popped, smashed right out. So I'm in the process. I just cleaned up all the glass. Oh, the poor Hornet. But she made it all the way here. Not one mechanical challenge. Thank you, Damon Hornet, sweetheart. Oh God, thank you. I'm just going to Home Depot to get a big tarp and then to cover that up and then have somebody come down and gonna clean that up. I'll get back to you guys. New City, New York. It's where the old Hornets camped at. I got that front cab window that smashed up. Got it covered nicely. Just took all the snow off the roof. My cousin Mike's place. Just started the engine up, warmed it up. Snow all over the place. Starting to drizzle a little bit. Supposed to stop next couple of days. But thank the Lord and my Damon Hornet for getting me here. 3,782 miles around one way. And 3,782 probably going, well, another 300 off because I'm not going all the way down to Florida on the way home. So but there she rolls. Got here. So basically I have been on the road for almost 2 weeks. Thursday would be 2 weeks. It was beautiful all up until 3 days ago. I went through a tornado in South Carolina, a hailstorm in North Carolina, heavy downpour of rain for almost a 9-hour drive, and
hail.
then
Can you hear it?
smashed my cab window out from the hail.
Hail is like hailing.
Got a crack in my windshield from the car on the motorhome. And then I wanted to this is one of the reasons I rushed up here is because of this. I was expecting this to happen, so I had a big old open hole in my motorhome. Was able to get to my cousin Mike's house yesterday. We went down to Home Depot, got a big tarped up the motorhome, parked it in his driveway, went down, rented a car, made it to my mom's, and here I am, snowdrift stuck in Suffern, New York. Look at that beautiful snow coming down. All in 3 days. Hail, rain, tornado, swimming in the ocean like 3 days ago in Daytona Beach. And here I am in New York. Oh well, guys. Winter Wonderland, Starboard Bow here in Suffern, New York. Coming down in flurries. Next couple of days. Supposed to stop tomorrow for a couple of days, hopefully. I can bring the old Hornet down and get it sealed up a couple of days. But it's a beautiful day here in Suffern, New York, in my mom's house. Alright guys, a lot of you guys are in here. Oh my God, the little babies and the mama. Look at this. Come on. Guys, got the Jeep, that's the Jeep, got the motorhome black covered up, all good in the trip, having a good time with the family. I'm just driving down here to the end of the road to meet up with, whoa, yep, that was me sliding, meet up with my cousins. All good, just I love the snow. Gonna be, I'm sure I'll be like going, can't wait to get down to the beach, but you know what, it's kind of fun down here. It's actually pretty interesting, and I'm not having a problem with it, so I'll talk to you guys a little bit on the next clip. I was in my old grandparents' apartment. My grandmother lived here, and I grew up in this area, in this little place. down there. Little kitchen. Men spent many years in this place. This little corner with a table here. Many family arguments and screaming back and forth at each other. That was the norm. Another view from the outside. Here we go. Here. Oh. All right, guys, got the Jeep, got the motorhome black covered up, all good in the trip, having a good time with the family. I'm just driving down here to the end of the road to meet up with, whoa, yep, that was me sliding. Meet up with my cousins. All good, just I love the snow. It's gonna be, I'm sure I'll be like going, can't wait to get down to the beach, but you know what? It's kind of fun down here. It's actually pretty interesting, and I'm not having a problem with it. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit on the next clip. Starboard bow. We're on the road, Sawmill River Parkway South, headed towards the Bronx in a snow blizzard. Beautiful last couple of days, beautiful next couple of days, but since to snow blizzard, we decided to drive and get on the highway. So here we are. And everybody knows my videos, the beautiful beaches and the sandy times and the nice camping areas. And well, this is the real world, boys and girls. Wake up. But it is beautiful. And it's important that I think that children of all ages and families that live in certain areas that never see this, they need to make sure their children are subjected to this type of environment, because they have no lives and they don't know what their life's about unless they live here or come for like a couple of weeks. Really important for your children to get to live their lives in different nature surroundings instead of sitting around in a Nintendo environment all their life. So get out and show them this video, or get out and get over here, because this is beautiful right here. Not necessarily this highway is beautiful, but the snow and the trees, it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video with, I know it's not a lot of crazy stuff or interesting stuff about RVing, but it's important to know when you're RVing in a environment like this, like my previous clips in this video, it's very interesting and exciting, and I think the family needs to take a trip and do this. So again, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting. And I'll see you guys on the next turn. Underway is the only way.